Hello and welcome to my kitchen flavors. This is Comfort and I'm here with another simple recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful and delectable and filling chicken and pasta salad. You are going to need 300 grams of chicken, 200 grams of green beans, 350 grams of penne pasta or any pasta of your liking, 3 slender aubergines or eggplants, 2 tomatoes and 1 red bell pepper, some olive oil, some black peppercorns or black pepper powder, and finally some salt. Now all these ingredients are going to be serving 6 to 8 persons as a side dish or 4 persons as a main course at a cost of 15,000 Ugandan shillings. I'm gonna start by cooking my pasta, and here I have a saucepan of boiling water to which I'm adding my penne, a bit of olive oil and some salt to taste. I'm then gonna cook my pasta until al dente, as in just tender and not at all raw or soft and gluggy. And after it's cooked, I'll place it in a bowl and set it aside. Next, I'm going to be preparing my red capsicum, and to do that, you're going to need a fork, which you are going to insert into the bell pepper like so. Then we're going to move that over to the stovetop and turn it over the flame like this until it's nicely charred. Now the reason I'm doing this is because in the end, I'm looking for a really soft and completely skinned capsicum. The best way to achieve this is to char-grill it first, but I'm using my stovetop. And now that my capsicum has charred bulungi, I'm going to peel off the skin so that it's nice and smooth just like this. And then I'm going to slice it and set it aside. Alright, next we are going to be sauteing the aubergines. I have already uploaded a video showing you exactly how to do this. I'm going to place a link to that video in the description below and the icon above, so you can definitely check that out. There are so many preps that have to be made for this salad, and right now I'm just going ahead to cook my chicken. I seasoned it simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper, and it took about 10 minutes for them to be fully cooked in a little bit of oil. Let me just take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video to this point. Please like and share it, only if you are like, I have to make this salad at home. And to all of my subscribers, I honestly cannot thank you enough for supporting this channel, because you're helping me to live out my purpose. That's what Comfort's Kitchen Flavors is really all about. The other day I was just thinking about how comfortable, joyful, and completely at rest I am when I share these simple recipes with you in this space. Doing what I do here is an act of worship to the Lord, who planted the gift and the love for cooking in my spirit way back when, and I feel completely blessed that you are a part of this. In fact, I'm reminded of this amazing scripture, which is what I will share with you as soon as I'm done slicing up my cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces. Alright, now that everything is prepared, we just have to put the salad together. To the bowl containing the pasta, add your diced tomatoes, steamed green beans, sauteed aubergines, charred red capsicums, cooked chicken, and salad seasoning. Gently mix everything up together, and your chicken and pasta salad is ready to be enjoyed. I did not include a clip on how I cooked my green beans, but I do have a video on the right way to cook them. Do check out the link to that in the description below, okay? Now this salad makes a great addition to your buffet table because it's really attractive and tasty. I would definitely suggest that you have this at your Christmas table if you can. And by the way, if you are vegetarian, you can simply omit the chicken and you're good to go. I do want to thank you so much for watching this episode, and I really hope you will be making this yummy, attractive chicken and pasta salad for you and your family. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple recipe adventures for your spirit and body. And until my next video, God bless you big time. Bye!